This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss some question and answers related to the chapter control structures. We have studied the control structures chapters in detail. We have discussed different definitions, their interpretations, their syntax, examples, programs, executed programs, and discuss them in detail. Now we're gonna have a question and answer session today. So the first question is, define control structures. The answer is, control structures control the flow of execution of a program, of a computer program. So it's very simple and clear. Now we're gonna discuss the second question. Name the types of control structures. The answer is, the types of control structures are as following. Number 1, sequence control structure. Number 2, selection control structure. The third one, last one, is loop control structure. Now I'll discuss the next question. Question number 3. Number 3 is, what is sequence control structure? The answer is, in sequence control structure, instructions are executed according to the increasing order of their line numbers. So the instructions at smaller line numbers are always executed first, then instructions at greater line numbers. Now we discuss question number 4, and the question is, define transfer of control. The answer is, in GW Basic, during the execution of a program, the program control can be transferred from one part of the program to another specified part of the program conditionally or unconditionally. So there are two ways through which the control can be transferred. One is called the conditionally, in which we usually use conditional statements, and unconditionally, where we can use go to statement where we don't need to specify any specific kind of condition. Question number 5 is, what is meant by conditional transfer of control? The answer is in conditional transfer of control, the program control switches to specific line number by skipping one or more program lines depending upon certain specified condition. So we have discussed 5 questions today. So the next question is question number 6, and the question is, what is meant by unconditional transfer of control? The answer is, in unconditional transfer of control, the program control switches to a specific line number by skipping one or more program line numbers without any specified condition. Number 7 question is, define go to statement. The answer is, this statement. So I am defining all these questions one after another, short questions, so that you can have a more clear picture of each and every definition and their answers in a very appropriate manner, so that in the last previous videos there was a lot of discussions being done, and we have discussed many programs and examples, syntaxes, their interpretations, their explanations. So I would like to filter all those topics one after another by defining them more precisely one after another, so that you can have a more clear picture of it and have a better understanding development. So we were discussing the go to statement. This statement is used to unconditionally transfer control from a program line to a specified line out of normal program sequence. Now we'll discuss the question number 8, and the question is, what is the use of on go to statement? The answer is on go to is a multi-branching statement. The on go to statement can have more than one transfer points. It is used for making of menus. Clear? Right? Now we'll discuss the last question of today, and the question is question number 9. And the question is, what is the use of on error go to statement? This is a very important question to be noted. The answer is on error go to statement enables error trapping feature of GW basic and specify the first line of error handling routine. So viewers, today we have discussed total 9 short questions and answer. Very useful, helpful for your better understanding and learning. First we discussed the control structure definition, then types of control, what is a sequence control structure, transfer of control, what is meant by conditional transfer of control, and then what is meant by unconditional transfer of control, go to statement, on go to, and on error go to statement. So I hope that you will like my video and keep watching my video, and we will be discuss more questions in our next session so that you can have more clear picture of all these definitions clearly and more precisely. So thanks for watching.